This is the start of the machine. Here we need to firstly connect the water pipe. First connect the water pipe. And here also outside. Okay. And then connect the power cable. Okay. Then first on the water connect. Okay, on the water pump, and then open the power supply, and then open the blue color. Open this on the machine. Turn on the machine. Then it can hit it. This is the first switch to stop or start the machine. Here. Then hit it. Just hit it. Okay. And then this is adjust the power. Adjust the power. Okay, adjust the power.